So welcome back. In this video I will show you how to insert left, right, up, down arrow in box in Word document. This is pretty simple and easy. So let's get started. So let me open my on-screen keyboard. So here is my on-screen keyboard and this is the window key and this is the semicolon key. So you need to press window key and semicolon key all together. This will open up emoji panel and click on this search icon and now type arrow and you will see different up, right, left, down arrow here. So this is the right arrow, this is the left arrow, this is the up arrow and this is the down arrow, and just close it. Your all arrows are inserted. You can select all together and go to the text effect under the home and change the color of your choice. For example, this one, and this is much pretty, so I like it. So you can easily insert this type of arrows in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.